Hello everyone, this is the third video of this tutorial series where we will learn how to use our website localoi.in. In this video, we will discuss about the login workflow. Firstly, you have to open localoi.in on your browser. You will find a login button on the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. You have to enter your email ID or phone number. I am going to enter my email ID. Now just fill in your password and click on the login button. Click on this Allow Location Access button. Now you have successfully logged in. That's it for this video. We'll meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching.